Look at these land habitats. Which one could a cactus live in? How about a cheetah? Let's look at some habitats and see why they make perfect homes for the plants and animals that live there. In a desert habitat, like this one, there's very little water. Deserts get less than 25 centimeters or 10 inches of rain or snow per year. There are many kinds of cacti in deserts. Cacti are plants that can survive in dry places. Their roots are good at getting water from desert soil. A cactus can store water in its stem to use later. This prickly pear cactus has spines instead of leaves. That helps it save water and protects it from animals that might try to eat it. The cactus is also edible, except for the spines. Here is a saguaro cactus. Each cactus can weigh about 2,000 kilograms, or 4,000 pounds. The desert is home to many different animals. Greater roadrunners run fast and use their speed to catch food, like this lizard. This camel can survive several months without a drink of water. A camel's hump is filled with fat. When the camel's body breaks down fat, it gets both energy and water that were stored in the fat. Look at this desert viper moving over the sand. This kind of movement is called sidewinding. This snake buries itself in the sand to stay cool during the hot desert day. It also hides to surprise prey like lizards and small mice. Jackrabbits are nocturnal animals, which means they are most active at night, when the temperature is cooler. They eat the plants found in the desert, including cacti. Did you know that not all deserts are hot? Let's travel to an Arctic habitat. The Arctic is a desert because it receives very little rain or snow. Most of the water on the ground is frozen. Look at all the snow and ice. In some areas of the Arctic, temperatures can get down to -70 degrees Celsius or -94 degrees Fahrenheit. That's really cold. Not many plants or trees can grow in the Arctic. Grasses like tundra grass can survive the cold. Spruce trees grow nearby in slightly warmer temperatures. The animals that live in the Arctic have to survive the cold temperatures. Over here we spot a snowy owl. Snowy owls use their great eyesight and hearing to help them catch rodents, fish, and rabbits. Here's a polar bear. Polar bears have a thick coat of fur to keep them warm, even on their paws. Their fur helps them blend in with the snow and ice, so they're not seen when they stalk prey, such as seals and young walruses. They are also great swimmers. Another animal found in this habitat is the Arctic wolf. Like a polar bear, the Arctic wolf has thick fur, which keeps in heat. Let's look at the grassland habitat. The main plant that grows here is, you guessed it, grass. Different types of grass grow here based on the type of soil, the sunlight, and the time of year. You will also find shrubs and a few trees. The acacia tree can be found in warm grasslands all around the world. The plants in a grassland habitat are food for many animals. This grassland in Africa is a great home for zebras. Giraffes eat the leaves from acacia trees. With their long necks, giraffes are the tallest land animals on the planet. Cheetahs also live on African grasslands, where they have plenty of space to run. Cheetahs can run as fast as a car on a highway to catch their prey. Lions hunt for animals on the grasslands. Hyenas can live on grasslands or in other habitats. They live in groups and work together to hunt animals for food. Hyenas take care of their young cubs until they're old enough to hunt and protect themselves. Here is the final habitat we will visit today: forests. Forests need more water than deserts or grasslands to support all these plants and trees. There are different kinds of forests around the world. Each one has many different plants and animals. Some pine trees can grow very tall. This is an advantage in a forest. Taller trees get more sunlight. On the lowest levels of a forest, you might find different kinds of mushrooms. Mushrooms get their food from dead plants or animals that are breaking down, like this rotting log. Forests are full of animals, big and small. Take a look at this porcupine. Those sharp quills on its back help protect it from predators. Chipmunks are small rodents that hide underground in burrows they dig on the forest floor. These little animals can dig tunnels 9 meters or 30 feet long. Foxes hide in dens and are most active at night. Look up in that tree. With their sharp claws, black bears are great climbers. Coyotes can be found in forests throughout North America. Coyotes are not picky eaters. Their prey includes rodents, frogs, snakes, insects, and even deer. They will also eat fruit and grass. This woodpecker is called a red-naped sapsucker. It uses its beak to peck a hole in the bark to eat the tree sap. We looked at 4 different land habitats and saw some of the different plants and animals that live there: desert, grassland, Arctic, and forest. Can you think of any other plants or animals that live in these areas?